Alright, y'all, we at this bike run. Little girl, Australia, she was killed in a car accident. And we doing this bike run in a remembrance of her. And just got all kinds of people out here. We just chilling, we riding. See, y'all good? Yeah, we just all out here. I'm at the back, but I'm gonna show y'all everybody. Right. It's a small group of us. We all riding out. Here's some people behind me. See, I don't know if y'all can see them. Yeah, we got a little bit of people behind me. Got a few people in front of me. This is one of the benefits of having a motorcycle, y'all. We police escorted. And like I said, y'all, we just doing this for this little girl. So go ahead. And y'all, this is one of the things, like I said, it's just something about having a motorcycle.
Terry got to lead us out. We're gonna follow him.
You gonna ride with Terry or you gonna take the car?
I think it's what, 79 miles? 78 miles. Back.
He's gonna stay with me, he's crying.
Just give me her phone.
We're gonna have a big prayer over here, y'all.
I'd like to say thanks for the ones that came out on behalf of Rue. We know this is not a good occasion, but we're doing this on behalf, the family, to help the family. So as we depart from this place, I want to leave, do a little word of prayer so that we be covered as we travel down this highway and back. So everyone bow their heads.
Riding through the city for that little girl, Australian Brit, RIP. Like I said, we on this bike run. I just wanted to bring y'all with me. One of the joys and benefits of having a motorcycle and being a biker.
Insecure from the past. How long can a good thing last? Be familiar. Gotta get mellow. Push it back and get mellow.
Y'all, we at the site right now, and the thing about it is, y'all, we at the site right now, and this is where the little girl got killed at. I know none of y'all ain't gonna know the area, I ain't gonna speak of the area, but this is where Australia was killed, and it's on the curb. As you can see, we stay in the country. In the country, as I mean, is like outside the city limits of a very rural area. And y'all, we just, like I said, we're doing this bike run for her. But I just want to do this video because I wanted to show you some of the joys and the benefits you will get from being a biker. You'll do plenty of events like these, depending on how big the groups is. Some groups go by the hundreds. You can do plenty of benefits runs for good causes. This is one of the good causes that I've done. I've done other bike runs, but like I said, I wanted to share this with you because I know a lot of people like, man, I can get killed on a motorcycle. Yeah, you can. But here's the thing. This is one of the things I want to show and share on the good sides of being a biker. you can actually do good things and do benefit runs for the kids and for other people. All right, y'all, we about to get back on these bikes. Y'all, I really appreciate y'all coming on this journey, just checking us out. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that's one of the benefits of being a biker, getting a motorcycle, and just enjoying yourself. I know a lot of people got a lot of things to say about motorcycles. You can get hurt on, you can get killed. You can do good things for the community, such as going on benefit bike runs, and you can just help your fellow people out. See, that's all my people over here. You know, everybody's just out. We had a small crowd today, but I've been on bigger bike runs, and like I said, it's all good. Great crowd. I enjoyed myself. We had a good, safe ride, 70 miles. It was great. Everything was fine. Police escorted, and you know, I was just real thankful to be able to go just for the young lady that passed away. We did this for you, and we just want to let you know that you're loved, and we just wanted to do this for you. We bought our bikes out. We rode for you. It's great weather, great people. This brought us all together, and you know, we're thankful for everything, but we're also thankful to have each other, and we're thankful for your life. All right, y'all, I did want to do this video. I did want to shout her out. All right, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Hold it down. Peace.